Hey everyone, we are the Diplomats and welcome to our presentation of Sprint 2 Retrospective. For this project, we are working on Project A, Check Your Car, and our group members are Connor, he's our security analyst, Troy, he's our backend developer, Lynn, she's our front-end developer, and myself, Karan, I'm the Scrum Master. Let's get into it. Some of the issues we faced during the Sprint 2 include due to us working due to COVID-19, we are still adapting to our new group work dynamic via the internet. Through our group are like tech savvy and experienced with the internet and technology. We are somewhat inexperienced with group working through these means and using teams to collaborate as a group. We have found it difficult to organize times when all of us are available to work, often working at different times of the day and at different places, which has made it hard for us, all team members, to find a time where we can all meet and talk about our presentations. Issues that would have been near immediately worked out in person became difficult that would take few hours to for everyone's opinion on. And at times the group had to keep moving forward without few of the members present as they were working or were not present. As we approach end of the semester, the stress placed on our group members is huge and continue to growing. Our group members were often unable to prioritize this unit above others or simply had so many more pressing tasks that we had to complete and we are forced to put off working in this unit's tasks. Also, most of our team members are working full time in a day and online and have online classes in the afternoon. And it was really difficult to decide on a specific time to do our presentations and our tasks and regularly meet to discuss our group topics. What worked well for us in this group was our group members have different skill sets which were very beneficial to us as we choose to lead with what everyone was good at, and as a group we showed a great team effort. We helped everyone. If they have any issues, we can just talk to everyone and discuss any issues that we had and help each other as a group.
Technology stack. After analyzing all the features of the project, we search for the reasonable technology that we suit for the website. We consider two different stack plan for the development and backup. So we're gonna break it into different area like plans, mock UI UX, data storage, and security storage. So we're gonna go to the first part is plan and analysis. A good stack plans will help us to complete our project better. So basically we analyze and examine the different areas, the collaborative team application, the front end and the back end, the database, communication between front and back, and last one is security. So we're gonna go to the plans A. With the plan A's, we have like collaborative app like GitHub, Trello, and Teams. So basically, GitHub is for like push the project for the sharing the project. Trello is for assigning the tasks that like each person gonna do, and the team is using for the communication between team member. With the front end, we have very common HTML, CSS, and JavaScript over here, and the back end we gonna use the PHP programming language linked with the database MySQL. So the way we approach is the development is we using the OOP approach. So basically, overview of the combination is otherwise referred as the LAMP stack, which are very stable, simple, and powerful when it comes to web development. So the next one is plan P. So basically, we have the same collaborative app, GitHub, Trello, Teams as Plan A. So we don't have to talk about that anymore. With the front end, we maybe have a little bit different here. We can use the basic HTML system in JavaScript, or we can use a front end framework like Angular to fit with this scenario. And the back end we use JavaScript and not JS to run JavaScript, then with the MongoDB as the database. And the way we approach to the development is the same way with plans like we're using OOP approach. So this can be considered as the main stack. It's very modern and quite popular in the web development nowadays. Data storage plans and schemas. We found out that it would be easier to set up, manage, and scale Azure database for MySQL. It's gonna be fit with our future plan to expand our database infrastructure to additional global user. And we found out that like Azure is very supportive in MySQL, and they got the wonderful compatible with the latest MySQL. So they gonna support very well in this in order with MySQL. So next one is gonna be UI and UX. For the UI and UX process, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna design the wireframe for the whole project. We're gonna break down into the small page, and then we choose the design idea, design concept for the whole website, and make sure that that design is consistent throughout every single page. And then recording the front end. In this sprint, we only focus on the home page and account page. I'm gonna run a quick demo on UI and UX. So this is our home page. When the customer log into our home page, you're gonna see this one. So this one is our logo and our welcome message, and this one is some JavaScript that's got the animation framework over here, and the slide and image of all the car prints, famous car prints, and from the bottom you can see there will be the feedback from the customer over here for the review for the website, and the last one is the footer of the website. So basically it's give the customer the informative that what we're doing over here from the home page. And when the user log into the account page, they're gonna lead to the signing page, signing portal. If they already got like the account with us, they're gonna enter the username over here and the password over here to submit that. Otherwise, they can sign up over here and they're gonna provide username, password, confirm password, their full name, and the camera to sign up with us. So basically, this is our design for the homepage and the account page.
As with any online public resource, security is an important feature to ensure that users can safely use your service. In designing a security framework, I decided to use the CIA triad as a set of guiding principles. Each of our security measures can be seen as a function of at least one of the elements of the triad. Keeping user information secure is of key importance, so we will be using multi-factor authentication to make it harder for users' accounts to be compromised. A strong password policy will also enhance the security of user accounts. The website will be hosted using HTTPS protocol to ensure data cannot be intercepted as it travels across the network. We will be implementing access control measures to ensure that only select individuals can view and alter the database of vehicle faults. The website will also be regularly backed up to ensure that in the event of an outage, our data integrity remains intact. A web security application will be constantly running in the background, regularly scanning for threats and suspicious activity. And to ensure our users can access the website when required, we will be using load balancing software to manage times of high traffic and reduce the risk of service disruptions.